mis amores, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing video. Back in 2016, 2017 I think, I was subscribed to BoxyCharm and I loved BoxyCharm. If you do not have BoxyCharm, I would 10 out of 10 would recommend, because of the fact that I love that I would pay $20 to $25 for this box a month, and sometimes the product that would come in here would be worth more than the entire box. And the fact that there's 5 things that are coming in here a lot of the time, 4 to 5, it's a steal. Like, I still have a lot of the products that I would get. One of my favorite things to receive in BoxyCharms are makeup brushes. Oh, those are usually my favorite. But I didn't cheat for this month. I didn't watch any other unboxing videos. I have absolutely no idea what's in this box, which is why my face is completely bare, because we're going to try on the things that are in here. So if you want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm this month, then just keep on watching. It's pretty heavy in here, so let's see what I got. I got my handy dandy scissors, and let's go ahead and open this box. Oh, it looks pretty full in here. So the first thing you will see when you open your BoxyCharm is this cute little card, and typically it tells you everything that's in this box, and it tells you the price of the things that are in here. And the very first thing I see in here is an eyeshadow palette that's worth $30, and I paid $21, $22, maximum $25 for this box, and I already have an eyeshadow palette that's worth $30. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 more things in there. So you tell me if it's worth it or not. So I'm going to go in order of what's on the card. So the first thing that I see is, I think I'm going to pronounce this incorrectly, but Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette, and it's this cute little one right here. Its retail price is $30, and it's a new launch. So, new products. Open. These eyeshadows are actually really pretty. I don't like that I feel like 90% of these are shimmers, but they do look really pretty. Ooh, they're creamy as hell. Wow. They're actually super creamy. For the matte colors that are in here, they're actually pretty sheer, so we'll see how those work when I apply them on my eyes. But pretty colors. Don't know if I'll be using this eyeshadow palette as much. So I love this packaging though. This mauve color, this pinky color right here is to die for. So the next thing that's on the card is called the Pharmacy Daily Green Oil Free Gel Moisturizer. I got a moisturizer, of oil-free gel moisturizer, and it's from Pharmacy. This is a full-size product, and its retail price for this thing right here is $38. So far, these two things are worth $68, and I only paid 20 something. An oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. Ooh, it smells earthy. Ooh, it has papaya in it, with moringa and papaya. I want to say it slightly smells like papaya. I want to feel the consistency of it actually. I know I'm going to like a product based on the way it feels, especially for my skin, just because I know that, and the same thing applies for my hair. If something's very thick when I rub it onto my fingers, I know that my skin's going to react, and I know that my hair is also going to react. Wow, I'm making a mess over here. It actually feels really, really smooth. So it feels like a little jelly consistency, so I actually really like that, and it's not sticky, so that's what I was looking for. I've been trying different skincare products, and one of the things that I recently tried was the new e.l.f. skincare collection, and I'm not gonna hold you, I think it has been the reason why I have been getting a lot of milia bumps around my mouth area. I'm someone who doesn't struggle with their skin until I started using the e.l.f. skincare products. I feel like around my mouth area I've gotten so bumpy. I have no idea where that's coming from, and I want to say it's from the e.l.f. Cosmetics moisturizer that I've been using. So I'm actually really excited that this month came with a new moisturizer, so I can see if it has been the e.l.f. Cosmetics thing that I've been using. So super excited to try this. And the fact that it's $38 for this moisturizer, I don't think I've ever paid more than like $15 for a moisturizer. So the next thing on the card is the Lifestyle Co. Resist Mist. Indulge in a lavender and tea tree oil infused body and linen spray. Spray the resist mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep and use it as a toner for your face in the morning to enjoy the properties of tea tree oil. That's fire. Calm sleep. The retail price for this is $36. $36. Everything that I've mentioned so far is over $30. So this is a toner that you can actually spray on your sheets for calm sleep. Isn't that so cool? I've never seen something like that. That's pretty fire. And I'm actually really excited to try this because I haven't been liking the toner that I also bought recently. I don't know. My skin has just been reacting so much to the things that I bought recently. And so I'm excited that this box came with a lot of skincare things. So I'm actually going to spray some on my face right now. I want to see. Okay, that feels hydrating. I've tried mists before that are somehow slightly sticky on your face, and nothing. Feels refreshing. The next thing on the card is a Dr. Brandt. Oh, first of all, Dr. Brandt is not cheap. So the fact that I see Dr. Brandt in there is super exciting. So I see Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. This is the smallest thing in the box, and you will not believe how much this costs. This product right here is worth $82. $82! This deeply hydrating peptide powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness, for refreshed, younger looking skin for all skin types. I am really excited to try this. Because of the fact that one is Dr. Brandt, and I've always heard such amazing things about Dr. Brandt, and because of the fact that it's an eye cream, I don't own any other eye cream, and because it's $82, like what? So I want to see how this works. And the last thing in the box is the Queen Studio Dragon Duo, modern day Boss Babe approved. With an inky black pigmentation and a semi-waterproof formula, choose your look using the Dragon Duo. Use Dragon Liner Liquid for a smudge-proof symmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner Pencil for a softer look or a smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by pros. This product retails for $28, and it seems to be an eyeliner. It seems to be like 2 eyeliners in there, which is pretty great. Oh, it is. I see. So that's one of the 2 eyeliners, and it's super cool because of the fact that it comes with a liquid eyeliner pencil, and then it just comes with a regular eyeliner. Like, that's pretty dope. I really like this one because of the fact that I'm running out of my current eyeliner, and so the fact that it came with this one, I'm actually super excited to try. These, I'm not too sure about how much I'm gonna like this pencil because of the fact that I actually never really enjoyed doing my eyeliner with this kind of pencil tip, but we'll give it a try. Let's see how it works. And this duo retails for $28. Nothing in this box was worth how much I paid for it. It definitely was worth a lot more than that. So that was everything that I got in this month's BoxyCharm. I'm gonna go ahead and calculate everything that I got so I can tell y'all how much everything in this box was worth compared to how much I paid for it. So everything in this box was worth $214, and I did not pay more than $25 for this box. So if you're contemplating whether or not you want to subscribe to BoxyCharm, I think this price should tell you it's pretty worth it. So because most of the things that I got in this month's BoxyCharm was skincare, I definitely just want to give you guys a updated review on how all these products works as opposed to trying them on now, because you guys won't really see a result of my skin after putting this on. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some foundation and concealer, do the rest of my face, and leave my eyes blank so we can try on the eyeshadow palette and the eyeliners that came in this month's box. So I'm looking at our palette and I'm looking at our range, and I don't really have much of a transition color. Like I said, most of the colors on this palette are shimmers. So I'm gonna go in and apply Makeup Geek's Creme Brulee single eyeshadow into my crease. This is my go-to for my transition shade into my crease, just because it's like literally the perfect nude color, and I think it goes with absolutely any shade when you want to do your eyes. So I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and apply this into my crease. I'm gonna go in with this nice little pink, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my lid. Oh, I love how shimmery that is. That's super pretty. They're a lot more pigmented than I thought they would be. The only thing I don't like is how flaky it is and how I got glitter on my lower eyes. So I want to go in with this brown right here. It's kind of like a burgundy-ish brown. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my outer corner. Just blend that in. They actually blend pretty nicely, so they're a little more impressive than I thought they would be. Just because initially when I saw this palette, I was like, ooh, a little too many shimmers, but it's okay. Honestly, I don't see that it's worth $30. I would say this product is worth more on like the $20 side. Then I'm just gonna grab a blending brush that's clean and just blend that in until you see no more harsh lines, just because that's not what you want. And as you're blending that, depending on how intense you want it, I'm just gonna go in with that same transition shade that I was going in, not too much, and just continue blending that just so it all looks really pretty and unified. When I go in with my transition shade, when I'm trying to blend other shades, it blends really, really pretty. Just like that did right there. You can definitely see a difference in the way that applying that transition shade over the color that you're using can make such a difference. I actually really like the way that looks. Now I'm gonna go in with the liquid eyeliner that came in this month's box. I like how smoothly it's gliding onto my eyes. Typically when I do my liner, I would need both my hands, but I seem to be doing pretty fine. I like how much control I have over this pencil. I'm very critical when it comes to my eyeliners, just because I don't like my eyeliners to crack. I don't like them to be a little sheer. I want my eyeliners to be black. I want my eyeliners to be matte as it could be. So I'm actually pretty impressed with this eyeliner. I like how easy that was. I really liked how easy that was to apply. Now I'm just gonna go in with some mascara to top it all off. Now I'm just going to go in and line my lower lash line with the pencil that came in this month's box. So that glided on really, really smoothly. And to finish off my eyes, I'm just gonna go in with more mascara on my lower lash line. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna go in with Infinity Thrift's Imperial Lips Lip Gloss, because that is my ride. And that is the completed look. I will give this a solid 7 or a 6 or 7 out of 10, because of the fact that there are way more shimmers in here than mattes, and I don't really see a transition shade. You know, it's not something that I can put in my travel bag and that's it. You know what I mean? Like, I like eyeshadow palettes that pretty much has a range of everything. Has a transition shade, has shades that I can work on my outer corner, has darker shades, has light shades, has a little bit of everything that I can work with. And this one doesn't really have that. So I would give it a 6, 7 out of 10. But the eyeliners that came in the box, I want to say they're a good 8 or 9 out of 10. It was super impressive, typically because of the fact that when I get this kind of eyeliner, they're not as black, and I liked how easy and how black it was to apply onto my eyes. So I actually really like that. And the other eyeliner, I really liked how creamy and smoothly it glided onto my lower lash line. I didn't have to go back and forth for too long, or it didn't tug on my lower lash. Nope, it just glided on. So these are actually really, really great. The rest of the products, I will have to give you guys an update on how those worked. So yeah, so that wraps up this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Comment down below what some of your favorite things are to receive in your boxy charms. If you haven't done so already, go subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.